Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are all doing really well. Now for today's video, I wanted to talk to you guys about eToro and how to actually purchase stocks on eToro. So if you are interested, then please continue watching. eToro is one of the world's leading social trading platforms, offering a wide array of tools to invest in the capital markets. So with eToro, you are able to create portfolios around cryptocurrencies, stocks, commodities, EFTs, and so much more. So if you are interested in any of that, then I will be showing you how to purchase your first stock through the eToro platform. And just to note, this is for beginners, so it's super user friendly, and I'll show you now how to do it. So just a little bit about, what eToro is and what they sort of aim to provide and their services, facilities, etc. I'm just going to jump onto their website and show you exactly what they do and why you should choose eToro. So firstly, I've just logged onto the eToro website here, and you can see in the About section a few reasons here why one should choose eToro. So we can see here that it is simple to use, and I do agree with that. It's quite user friendly, social. So eToro has taken pride in the social trading features. And if you did want to read a little bit more, then you can obviously, have a look at their website. Alrighty, now to making your first deposit with eToro. So I'm going to show you how to do this very simply and very easily, but you are able to jump on their website and there's a step-by-step guide in the FAQs around depositing funds into your account. So let's quickly have a look here in case you did want to become familiar with it. So this is the main trading platform. So this is the main page that you should be set up with once you have created your account with eToro. I'll also quickly just go through, how to verify your eToro account. So this is a very mandatory part of the process. This is a regulatory requirement which is needed to sort of verify each eToro account, and this makes sure that the platform is secure and prevents any untoward activity. So to verify your account, you need both proof of identity and you need proof of address. So only after you've provided these documents can the verification process begins. Now you can also use the eToro app to scan your documents directly to the platform as well, which is super convenient. So this will take you directly through all of the information that you need to provide in order to get your account ready, set up for trading. Just to give you a little bit of an idea as to how long that took. So I set up my eToro account and I had the verification completed, and they're very, very prompt. So my overall process, I think, only took 10 to 15 minutes. So very efficient, very, very quick. So yeah, definitely recommend setting up your account because it is super simple. Now, if you go through to the depositing funds into your account via the FAQs, this will give a very good rundown on what you need to do to make a deposit and how you can start trading. So you can go through all of these FAQs and it will show you how to deposit in a safe and secure manner. So as you can see, there are a few different methods which you can use to make deposits into your account. So you've got credit card, PayPal, NetElla, Skrill, Rapid Transfer, Ideal, and all of these down here as well. Now, in terms of the minimum for the first time deposit, so depending on your region and country regulations, the minimum first time deposit varies from $50 to about $10,000. Okay, now let's go back onto the platform itself. So as you can see here, I've just created my account here. And another thing that I did want to actually mention before we do get started with trading is that you can actually trade in a virtual portfolio, which I think is amazing, especially for beginners, especially if you don't have much knowledge around, trading. Then you are able to select the virtual portfolio, and that will give you sort of a step-by-step guide on what you should do, what you should look out for, which I think is perfect. So here you can actually just practice your trading skills without any risk of loss, and all trading activity will be made with virtual money. So it's not real money or virtual money. So you can go to your virtual portfolio and this will switch your entire account into virtual. So you can have a little bit of a play around there and have some fun, and I think this is a great way for beginners to sort of understand how this all works if you are interested. So let's go back to the real portfolio. Now, this is the main section where you can sort of purchase anything you like. So Of course, we've got stocks, EFTs, crypto, indices, commodities, currencies, and you can also use this search bar at the top as well to search anything you like. So for example, if you want to purchase gold, everything will sort of just pop up. Let's say you want to do crypto, that will pop up as well. So very handy function there. Now, another thing which I did notice was very, very sort of convenient, and especially if you are new to trading, then the copy people tab, as you can see on the left here. So what you can do, you can actually copy other traders and their portfolios by having a look at, the return that they received on their investments. So I think this is a very handy sort of tool if you are just looking to get started. So be sure to check that out. You can also have a look at the eToro Club. You can have a look at the different types of memberships and the tiers at a glance. So silver, gold, platinum, platinum plus, or diamond. You can take a look at these, and depending on your needs and your suitability, you can opt in for the membership, which is right for you. You've got the invite friends, you've got the help, and you've got your guide. So let's just get started on depositing some money into our account, and let's get trading. So as you can see here, just on the left side, we click on deposit some funds. So what you'll need to do, you can select the amount that you want to deposit. So if you're in Australia, the minimum amount to deposit into your account is 70 Australian dollars, and you can make that deposit with your credit card, PayPal, wire transfer, any method that really suits you. Put in your card details, and then you go ahead and click submit. So a lot of these deposit methods are actually pretty good because you are able to deposit money and it should be available in your account instantly, which is, I think, a really great thing. I know a lot of other platforms don't have that sort of functionality, so for it to be instant, I think is awesome. So once you've made your deposit, depending on the minimum requirement that is there, then you can go ahead and start trading. So if we go to the trade markets icon here, then you can go through, you can have a look at what it is that you want to trade in. So just to give you guys a little bit of an example, it's pretty simple, to be honest. It's quite straightforward, but let's say we wanted to purchase some Apple shares. So we would go here, you can have a little bit of a read of what Apple is, you can have a look at the stats as to see, how they're tracking over, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, or, 3-year period as well. So having a look there, a little bit of information about the performance, financial summary, the profile, just to get yourself familiar with what, Apple is all about and how they've been tracking. So we can have a look at their charts as well. So I think this is a good way to really understand the performance of the commodity. So let's research. Okay. So once you've done your little bit of research and you're ready and you're happy to start trading, you can select trade. Now, once you click here, we're gonna click on buy because that's what we want to do, and we're gonna set the rate obviously at market rate. And this trade will be executed once the market is actually open. So let's say we want to go ahead and we want to go and purchase $1,000 worth of Apple stocks. So what we can do, we can go ahead, you can look into leveraging and stop losses as well. But if you are a beginner, then I don't recommend looking at the leveraging. Let's just stick to one, and let's set our order. Now, it's as simple as that. So once you've actually made your deposit and you have purchased your stocks, it will then be available in your portfolio. So I obviously haven't purchased anything yet. And then this is where you're able to track the performance. And yeah, that's essentially it. It's as simple as that. Again, as I mentioned, if you go into the trade markets tab, you're able to just look in, you're able to just type anything that you like there and have a bit of a search. But I do recommend doing your research. I'm not a financial advisor. Do have a look at the disclaimer down below. This is not for everyone, so be sure that you do your research or you seek professional advice. So that is it, guys. If you have any other questions, any queries, concerns, suggestions, then definitely leave a comment down below. Or alternatively, you can just jump on the eToro website. There's a lot of guides, a lot of help, and you'll definitely be able to find the answers to your questions on there as well. So I will provide a link in the description box below, so be sure to check that out. That'll be a direct link to eToro. And yeah, I'll have all the information in the description box below. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did, then please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Thanks, guys.